I'm remembering a moment when I was working as a sales manager and we were trying to expand into mid market accounts. In my last role, we were seeing longer sales cycles with mid market clients, and there wasn't a consistent strategy for discovery calls. Every rep was doing their own version, which made it harder to understand what was actually working. I wanted to improve the team's effectiveness by identifying the patterns in our strongest discovery calls and by creating something repeatable that newer reps could learn. I started by reviewing 20 call recordings from deals that had closed successfully, spread across 5 different reps. I tracked what kinds of questions they asked, how they handled objections, and when they introduced pricing into the conversation. At the same time, I spoke with our solutions engineer to understand which discovery calls made the technical handoff smoother. And that helped me see where sales and pre sales alignment was strongest. Internally, I set a goal to keep the structure simple and usable. I focused the guide on 4 must-ask questions, a short transition script, and 2 optional prompts based on deal size. I believed that if it felt too formal, people wouldn't really use it, so clarity here mattered more than depth. Before sharing this with the team, I piloted the guide in 3 of my own deals. I wanted to test its real world impact and also see where it might need some adjustment. I tracked how those calls converted to demos and compared it with my previous performance. When I shared it at our next sales sync, I didn't present it as the solution. I shared my experience, the early results, and asked for feedback. And that helped the team feel like part of the process. After adoption, we saw a 15% improvement in first call to demo conversion. Newer reps said the structure helped reduce their ramp up time, and our head of sales asked me to share it during onboarding sessions. As a takeaway, I'd have to say that all this was a reminder that taking initiative doesn't always mean building something new. Sometimes it's noticing what's already working really well and giving it a simple structure so that others can use it to succeed as well.